So now let's see how we can actually go ahead and then paint masks inside of Adobe Photoshop Lightroom. So here you can see that I have this particular image, and in order to paint masks over here, you need to go around over here onto the masking effect first. So once you go ahead over here, you can see that brush is an effect. And once you go ahead and enable brush, then you get the brush to actually go ahead and simply brush out a masking effect. Let's say, for example, I can brush out over this chair right here, just like this. And once you do that, now if I were to change around the exposure, you can see that only that particular area will be affected right here, and everything is non-destructive. You can change around the contrast for that particular area right here. You can change around the shadows for that particular area, change around the whites and change around the blacks, and even change around the temperature for that particular color area, as you can see right here, just like this. And you can go ahead and draw out more right here, just like this, on the same mask, or you can go ahead and create out a new mask right here and choose brush right here and go ahead and create out new mask as needed as well. So this is what you have. Another mask will be created, and over here you can simply go ahead and then draw out to create another mask as you want as well, and then change around the contrast and everything else right here, whatever you see right here for that particular area similarly as well. And that is how you can go ahead and then use paint masks inside of Adobe Photoshop Lightroom Classic. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.